Hi friends, today we're gonna make some homemade ghee from store-bought butter. This is a great way of saving money, making butter last a very long time, and it's one of the ways that our ancestors preserved their butter. They had cows, they milked their own cows, they made their own butter, but they didn't have electricity or refrigerators to store it. So this is the easy way of making this and still having the beautiful taste of butter. So we're going to start off with 4 bars of butter. They're about 1 pound each, 454 grams. So it's about 2 kilograms of store-bought butter. We're using unsalted butter. This is gonna make it more convenient and versatile. You can use it to make desserts. You can also use it to make anything where you would use butter. So begin by putting a pot on medium heat and add in all of the butter. We're going to melt everything. It's gonna take about about 4 or 5 minutes for it to melt completely. And then it's gonna start to bubble like this. And at this point, you're just gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour and let everything simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. The whole point of this is to allow the milk proteins and all of the milk products to settle down, and the flour is going to help with that process. So basically ghee is just clarified butter, because in butter you don't have 100% milk fat. There's about 5 to 10% of milk protein still left in the butter, and by doing this we're completely separating out the milk fat from the milk proteins. We only want to have the milk fat, we want to get rid of the milk proteins. So you see here the milk fat, which is the yellow part, is separating from the white part, which is the protein and the milk products. So at this point, all you do is turn off the heat, and you're going to leave it on the stove to cool down for 15 minutes. Don't leave it for more than 15 minutes because you don't want it to start to solidify in the pot. You want to transfer it to another container and strain it out. So turn off the heat, use a sieve and just pour it in carefully. You don't want it to spill, otherwise it would be a very oily, fatty mess. So at first it's going to be in the liquid form, but soon after a few hours it's going to solidify and look just like regular butter. You can give this as a gift to someone. It's going to make a lovely gift. Right now we're going to use it to butter our toast, or should I say ghee our toast, and add some honey on it and enjoy this for breakfast with a cup of hot tea or hot chai and start our day. We hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you and see you next time.